This video will show how to set multiple rate plans in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you change the rates or packages for a specific reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you wish to change rates or packages. Click View Details in the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. Under Rates Packages section, click the checkout date. A calendar opens. Select the stay date for which you wish to have a different rate plan. This will split the stay details. Click the current rate type of the stay date that needs to be changed, and then select the new rate type. Note that an alert message appears on top of the screen to seek your confirmation for changing the rate package, as it may remove any previously applied discounts. Click OK. Note that the new rate package is updated in the rate type column, and its corresponding price is also updated under the amount column. Click Save to save the changes. This brings us to the end of the video on how to set multiple rate plans in a reservation.